Now I'd like to optimize this collage. It's a little bit too gaudy. And there are a few things that need changing. And I'll start with the crawl text. So I'll select it once again by double clicking. And I'll select the text block. And to start with, in the text properties, I'll remove the kerning. This means that now the spacing between the characters is standard, and I find this looks somewhat better. And now I'd like to change the size of the text, as it is somewhat too large in relation to the other images. So I'll try a value of 60, and that's fine, so I'll save it. And now obviously I have to adjust everything else to suit this new text size. I'll start by optimizing the background graphic. Once again, double click. And the issue we have now is that my text isn't shown. So when adjusting my background graphic, I won't be able to do it relative to the text. And the reason for this is as follows. The background graphic is in this title track, and that's above the text title track. So what we have to do is move, at least temporarily, the track 1T down below track 2T. So now it is in front of my text. And if I double click to go back into the editor, we can see our text, and so we can relate to it. So I'll select it, and I'll adjust the size relative to our text. I could add a few other options for this background graphic. For example, I could adjust the fill color. I could, for example, add a second color, maybe a dark gray. And then I'll raise the value here for color to 2 so that I have 2 colors. And now we can see that in this background text there is a color blend. And this of course can be interesting. And so I'll adjust the direction to here. And I'll exit once more with save. And now I can adjust the logo to fit the new dimensions. But first, I'll move the second track back above the first track. This will make sure that my background graphic is in the right position. And now we'll double click here to edit the logo. And here we'll adjust the logo's dimensions. To start with, I'll adjust just the logo. So first, I'll click into an empty space here, and then I'll select the logo. Then I'll press the Control key and select this background oval. And now I can adjust their sizes simultaneously by clicking in this corner and moving it. So we'll just adjust it a little bit. And that's fine, so I'll save. And so now we can see that everything is a little bit smaller and fits into the image somewhat better.